Oh, that's better. All right, hey, how's it going? We're working on Kitty Courtyard. Oh shoot, let me get the chats up and going. Let's see. That should work fine. Hello there, Russian name I can't pronounce. All right, so can everybody hear me? Last time no one heard me for the past oh hi. No one could hear me for the first like 30 minutes. Well, you must be able to hear me because you just replied to me, so we should be good. All right, let's see where we're at. The biggest problem we're facing right now is the hitboxes are all wrong. So let's see what that's looking like. Here we are. Here we have a cat. We got the nice tails. Nice cat-like tail. There's a bad guy. Oh, there's two of them. Shoot. Oh, crap. So yeah, there's a bunch of rough edges, but I'm hoping to nearly finish the game today on the stream. Oh god. Good, I'm glad you can hear me. Yeah, so we have scary faces on these guys now. I just made them look scary. I don't know. I didn't know what to make them, so I made them sort of bubbly monsters. You know what? I bet this chair sounds really annoying. Hang on a minute. Let's get some WD-40 on this chair. Because every time I move, it makes an annoying noise. Hopefully that helps. Maybe very slightly. Yeah, they're kind of like ghosts now, I guess. But that works. Alright. So hitboxes are all screwed up. They're not really defined yet. So we're going to make a hitbox for each, or a mask as they're called. We're going to make a mask. Sprite, cat, mask. Alright, and for now, we're going to make this, we're just going to make a pink circle. We're going to draw the masks over top everything, and then we'll kind of go from there. We're going to copy these for each thing. Sprite, enemy mask, and then we'll have a separate mask for the player as well. So the mask is basically the hitbox essentially. Oh, I have to make this be precise. The mask is the hitbox. The cats are gonna have a small one. The enemies are gonna have a big one. Boop, boop, boop. Precise. Okay. There are some repairmen replacing our bathtub upstairs. So if you hear any power tools, that's why. Alright, let's see. Hopefully it's not too loud. Hopefully there's like a reciprocating tool, I think. Sounds like. Okay. Objects. Okay, so the... Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. That is pretty much the idea. I'm going to say mask index equals sprite enemy mask. And we're also going to draw the mask over top everything. Draw sprite. We'll just do mask index 0xy. We'll do that for all the things. And then the mask is going to be is not going to be correct right away. We're going to have to go in and change it once we can see what it's looking like. Mask index equals sprite cat mask. And lastly, the player. Oh, I already have a sprite player mask. We're going to draw the mask here. Draw sprite mask index 0xy. Okay, everything's going to have a big pink circle around it now. Let's see. There's mine. Yeah, way too big. They're all way too big right now. Let's make them hang on, ext. We'll say 1, 1, 0, C white, and we'll do 0.5. We'll make the masks transparent for now so we can see them a little bit better. Okay, so first of all, the cat's is clearly huge. We'll edit the cat's mask first. We'll just see one more time. What's everybody up to today? I got like 6 hours before I gotta go to work, so. Okay, so honestly, the enemy mask is probably near big enough. The cat's is way too big though, and so is the players. So let's probably half the size of the cat's mask. It's huge. Should we put on some music? I don't know. I just put in some buttons. They probably won't do anything. I don't even know if I'll have buttons. It might just be like press enter to start. That's probably better for the cat. Oh, we also need a mask for the spear. Shoot. Well, the spear is kind of its own mask, right? Is it precise and everything? Let's just edit that slightly. Manual. Let's just have it be right on the head. That's how I did it with Ronan the Barbarian. Alright. That should be good. Nah. Do it like that. Okay. Alright. That's good. Player mask. Let's make the enemy's mask maybe just, well, that's probably a good size. We would rather hit the enemy on accident than hit a cat on accident. That would feel a lot better. Okay. Let's also get the player's mask, maybe this size. We'll see. The player's mask doesn't matter that much. That's mostly just for when the enemies try to kill us. Okay. So that's pretty decent so far. I think the cat, yeah, that's kind of obviously going to happen. Oh no. Oh, come on. Okay. So far, pretty good. Okay. Oh, shoot. No! Okay, cat died. Oh, man. It's not good. Okay, come to me, come to me. Oh, no. Alright, that's pretty good. Let's stop drawing the masks now, though. I think the masks are pretty much good. We might tweak them much later on, once we're near done. Like I said, we have someone replacing our bathtub. So they're cutting the old one out. I apologize. They're using power tools, you know. Okay, masks are not drawing. Alright, I think it's time to do some... Yeah, I think it's time to do some more... some actual scoring. So I think we need to have like some kind of, let's see, I think we should make the view bigger than the room. We need a bar on the top and on the bottom maybe to have the, yeah, we need like a 16 pixel bar on the top and on the bottom to have the UI on. So let's go to room start. We're going to edit the view. Let's see, what would that be? 255 plus, we'll do 32. 287, okay. The view is going to be that size. Yeah, that'll work. I could do that to all the rooms now. It's a pretty annoying noise. I apologize. It's just gonna happen. There's nothing I can do about it. Okay, and then we're gonna move the view up by 16 pixels, which we can do here. And we actually want this to be at negative. Yeah, for sure. I mean, this game will be done probably today, or maybe tomorrow. Maybe the next day, I don't know. It won't take long. Yeah. Yeah, I'd like to. I like making these smaller projects, so it's very likely. Okay. That's not what I want. Oh, it's because I'm... Okay, hang on a minute. I'm making the view... Yeah, I don't want that. There we go. Oh, that's just too big, though. It doesn't even fit on my screen. What if I did this? Wow, that's loud. But yeah, I plan on doing a lot of projects on here. This is too small, I think. Is it? Yeah. Alright, so what we're going to do instead is, I guess I'll just make the room smaller. That won't screw anything up, right? No, we'll be fine. 255. Yeah. Well, people will drop in and out. So, we'll do... people will drop in and out, it's no big deal. Okay, so we're making the view back to the normal size, pretty much. It's 223. Let's move this up. Let's do 1, 2, shoot. Okay. That's good. We need this to be, all the rooms need to be 223. $255 here. Okay, last room. Okay, let's see what that looks like. So again, we just need a bar, 16 pixel bar on the top and on the bottom. Okay, this should be fine. Cool, this will work. Yeah, should be fine. All right, let's draw that bar because we want to draw it over top everything. Let's see here. Let's see. Do you have any? Anyone have any game development questions or anything? Let's see, bars. So we're going to draw a rectangle. That cyan thing moved. What cyan thing? Okay, well, this will be at 0, 0. What cyan thing? Okay, this will be a room width. This will be 16. This will be false. And we're gonna set color. Let's see, do a real ugly color for now. Yeah, it's an ugly color. Oh. That's fine, yeah. Everything rotates a little bit, those bushes rotate. Oh, what's happening with that? This needs to be at, this needs to be 0, this needs to be negative 16. Okay. Makes sense. This actually needs to be negative, this needs to be negative 1. Okay. And then this needs to be room width, no, yes. 0. This needs to be room height. This needs to be room height plus 16, which will overshoot it a little bit, but we won't be able to see that. All right. Let's do like a, here, let's say this will be color 0, but let's do like a little frame. Oops. Draw, set color. We're gonna do a little green frame around the level. Set color. Well, this would be color. Let's just do the third color, right? The second color right now. Draw a rectangle. This is going to be at 0, 0, room width -1, room height -1. And this will be an outline. I might have to edit this slightly. Very slight. Why is it not there? I see. Okay, wait a minute. This needs to be stuck to the GUI. So we're gonna say view. How do I get the camera's position? Let's see. Let's see here. Camera view. I'm not good with cameras. View. Get. View get. Is it the export that we want? View. That might be what we want. Oh, we could just put this in the GUI event. That might be the easiest way to do it, because then it's there. Yeah. I honestly feel stupid for not doing that to begin with. And it's not gonna make a difference. No. Okay, wait a minute. We're doing all this in the GUI. I just don't know if the GUI layer is right. Yeah, it's not even noon yet. It's not even noon yet. I think my GUI is going to be really tiny. So and I think my mouse will draw behind it. Yeah, okay, this is not going to work. Wait one moment. So let's do this here, I guess. That will be fine. But we need the camera's position. How do we actually get that? Camera set view position. Because then we're modifying it. Get pause. Camera get view. Oh. Ah, right there. Okay, perfect. Var x equals var y equals get view y. We'll do view. This should do it. This should do the trick. We want this to be on x, y, no, y. This would be x plus. This will be at y plus 16. Right? Is that how that will work? Let's just see about that. Let's cancel this out. That should draw the same everywhere. Yeah, okay, good. Perfect. And then also we want we want to set this position to be -16 by default. Can I do that in here? Probably can't. Yeah. Perfect. I don't really want to do it in here, but here we are. Okay. Should make it right. Yeah, it looks right. Cool. All right. Now I'll do the other bar, which is going to be very similar to this, only we're doing it at room height, and then plus room height plus 16. Yeah, it's not easy when you're first getting into it. What happened there? You just got to keep at it, keep practicing. I've been using GameMaker for like 8 years, 7 years maybe. It's been a while. Okay, we got our bar there now. So our bars. You can draw the frame. This will be at x plus 16, y. No, x can stay. That y plus 16, x plus room width, y plus room height. Right? Would that work? I have to do plus 16 there. Okay. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, yeah. I gotta do that differently. Let's see. Plus 1, or plus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Okay. This isn't like the cleanest way to do this, but with these real simple games, I don't care. Why is that not all the way in? Now it is. Why does that happen? I don't want that to happen. Yeah, that shouldn't be happening. That shouldn't be happening. Okay. Let's let's floor that and see what happens. This needs to be there. Okay, so why is that not there? Is that minus 1? I guess it has to be minus 2. And this probably does as well. Yeah, it would, because we're increasing it here. Okay. Okay, looks good. I'm not Canadian. Not today. Okay, everything looks pretty good. These are the edges of the room. I don't want anything to be able to leave the room. Good. Alright, so the timer can be put... where's the timer? Is it here? Yeah. This can be drawn at like 8. No. No. Let's center the text. Draw, set, align, FA center, FA middle. This will be drawn at 8. Right? No. That needs to be relative to the view. So let's actually go up into here. This needs to be done after the fact. What's that? This is this. Okay. So if room equals room courtyard, and we'll say we'll say x plus y plus 8. Okay. We probably shouldn't draw that frame until like we're in it because it looks weird. Okay, good. The timer's in the perfect position. I'd like to draw the room transition stuff over top everything else, though. Like over this stuff, I guess. Would that work still? Hopefully it will. It should. Yeah, cool. Let's only draw that frame if we're in the game. Let's only draw let's only draw this stuff if we're in the actual play state of the game. That's much better. Okay. Also, I'd rather this be color 1. I think will be less offensive that way. Yeah, it looks better. Okay. Oh, I killed the cat. That was accidental. Okay, also, okay, let's make this an actual timer. So, let's make a script for time. I need to, because I'll need to import this somewhere else at some point. Script time. And this will be called time value to string. And this will be value. Okay, so we have a number. We want it to be, we don't want it to be just like 1,000. We want it to be like a meaningful timer situation. So let's find where we're drawing that. It's in the game event. It's in the game object, not the game event. And this is the timer. So we're going to say time value to string. So what we need to do here, create string. Okay. First of all, we're going to divide this whole thing by we have to divide this whole thing by the room speed var. We'll have to say value divide equals room speed. Okay. Return, let's see, value, let's see. Let's just see what that looks like first of all. Now it's going to be a little bit more accurate. It's going to be seconds now. 120 seconds. Oh, what happened? Why did that just change? Shouldn't that have... That shouldn't have happened. Let's just see if we say string equals text, no, t, whatever, it doesn't even matter. To see if that stays t, because it should only draw t. Alright, that's good. Alright, so let's divide it into minutes. This should be just 2. It should just be 2. Yeah, I want it to be, well, that is now, well, this could be a float. Can I do this? No, I don't think so. Value equals a float. Can I not do that? Is there just no such thing as a float in Game Maker? That might be the case. Yeah, okay, there's no such thing as a float. Okay. This is frustrating to me. I need to know why this is happening. Let's print out the value. Show debug message value. It might just not be drawing it as a float. It might be drawing it as an integer for some reason. Let's see. No, it's only 2. It should not be 2. It should be. Oh, this font has no dot. That is why. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. So we want to go into sprite font. We want to edit the image. There we go. We got a dot. We just got to go in and add that in when we're actually generating the font. Boop. Cool. Yeah, that was a little bit tricky. And then all we got to do, yeah, so this will work. All we got to do now is go time. Okay, so we're gonna say minutes equals value divided by that. Okay. And I'm going to say for seconds equals, this will be minutes minus 4 minutes. Okay. Then, well, we'll just say minutes. Let's see if that works. That will probably work. Well, that's not going to quite work, but now it's going to show the same thing essentially, only it's broken up in the code, and it's going to be, oh, right, it needs to be, shoot. I haven't done GameMaker in a while, so I'm a little bit rusty. Let's see here. Not much. I'm just... Whoa. This is not what I wanted to happen. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, here. So then we want to minutes equals floor minutes. I'm just trying to make this timer. Seconds times equals 10. Would that work? I guess it would. Well, we might want to floor the seconds too. Let's see. Okay. No, it might want to be 100. I don't want to say seconds equals floor seconds. Maybe. Your character's a skeleton. Let's see if this works. Okay, cool. So we're nearly there. All we have to do now is Let's see here. So we can say, this is tricky. You know what? I need to import a function I have in Python. Let's see here. Because it's complicated, I forget how I wrote it. It's going to be called scale value. And we're going to have to open up Python. We're going to have to open up 10 rings real quick to get some code out of there. It's going to be in the logic module. Yeah, it should be in the logic. No, it's in the library module. We actually want to open this with Visual Studio, though. We don't want to just run it. What game are you playing? Grab my phone charger real quick. Well, a lot of the games I write are in Python, and I have a function in Python that I wrote that I want to use in GameMaker, so I'll just convert it over. It's called scale, and it's extremely useful. There it is. Okay. Yeah, all this math I didn't remember, so I didn't really want to try to write it again from scratch. Here we go. Okay. All right, so we have, let's convert these over. This will just take a moment. All the masters is exactly the same. Alright. This should all be the same. This should all work the same. Sorry. The more you listen to me, the better you'll understand. Well, that's okay. Okay, we should be good there. Yeah. Cool. Let's do... here. Cool. All right, let's try it out. So we just need to use scale value. This will be seconds, 0, 100, 0, 60. That should work, maybe. Okay. So far, so good. I think it's working. We just gotta play for a minute and see what happens when we get to around the 1 second mark. Oh, I hit the cat. That's not good. Okay. Oh, no, 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 no. My spear's gone too. Okay, we'll just have to wait a few more seconds. Okay, cool. So we're nearly there. All we gotta do now is just have if the let's see. Can I just add to a string like that? No, I can't. Okay, we should be golden there. Should be good. Right. So let's do a few things. For one, we cannot have the spear leaving the room. We can't have it happen. So we're going to clamp the spear's position to the room. X equals clamp X 0 room width. Okay, you cannot leave the room horizontally. You cannot leave the room vertically. So how are you going to leave? You can't. Okay. Good, good. Okay, if there's knockback, I don't want them to be able to do damage. Oh no. Why does that... Oh, it isn't a string yet. Shoot. I thought I converted it before, but I was wrong. Whoa! Interesting. I mean, I guess I could just clamp it to be, let's see here, -1, -1, +1, +1. That, I mean, I'll still be able to get to it that way. Okay, do we need to make some sound effects for this too? Probably do that soon. No. Ah! We should have another cat spawning soon. Oh no. Stay away. No, 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 no! Okay. Oh boy. Protect the cats. No, why is it not? Okay. Let's see here. Let's do like this. Alright. That's good, that's dealt with. We need to make enemies kill cats. So let's do that. Also, we need like a counter, a cat counter. You know, but we'll get to that. Okay. So if place meeting XY nearest target instance destroy nearest target. Okay, we kill them. That's pretty simple. Let's see if that works. We're gonna start doing some sound design soon. Alright, let's have one of those enemies kill a cat. Go on, kill him. Very easy. Okay. So we need some kind of counter for the... Some kind of counter at the bottom. Let's see. Alright, play, let's do, oh, well, this would be here. Right where I'm drawing the timer, which is right there. So, okay, so we'll draw, we'll say 3. Three. Alright, so let's go in here. Let's say strikes equals 0. Okay. So we want to get a position var x equals let's see here, draw x equals x. Let's see here, plus I times, I don't know, like 12 minus max strikes divided by 2 times sep. We'll make a variable called sep. That should work. Hopefully. Var draw y. This will be easy. This will just be y plus room height plus 16. Okay. Draw sprite ext. And we're going to say sprite, cat, head. We'll draw all three of these too for var j equals 0, j, then 3, j plus plus. And we're going to draw j. That's okay. It's pretty early. Let's see. Draw x, draw y. 1, 1, 0. See white. 1. Okay. Let's see if that looks okay. We just want 3 cat heads drawn at the bottom of the screen in the middle. We're pretty close. Yeah, this definitely needs to be room width divided by 2. I forgot about that. And then also we're going to have to do 16 plus 8, I guess. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Perfect. We got our cat heads. Everything's good. Let's make them a little bit further apart. Let's make them bobble up and down. And let's make them, let's see, plus cos timer divided by, or time divided by 32. Plus I times, I don't know, like 10, I don't know, we'll just do times I. Times 2. That'll make them bobble up and down, hopefully. Yeah, it needs to just be times 1 though, and this needs to be plus, or times like 8. Maybe. Perfect. It's too slow though. 24. Let's do times 12. Um, 10 rings took, I've been working on for over a year, on and off. I don't work on it very much. Omnius took, don't really know, maybe 4 months I worked on that. That's fine, that'll work. Part is struck equals strikes. Let's see. Strikes is higher than or equal to 1. Okay. I'll say if draw y equals just this, else okay, and then we're going to say this. Maybe we'll just not draw them. Let's see. Let's just not draw them here. So we won't even do is struck. We'll just do this. Okay. And if a cat dies, I'm going to have to pause the stream for just a minute. I'll be right back. I'm back! Yay! Okay. Anyway, what was I doing? Cats die. Okay. Let's make a user event. I will say object being.strikes equals. And when an enemy kills a cat, it triggers the event. User event. It's event user. What are the arguments? Okay, 0. With nearest target. I'll just call it just right here. Cool. Now if a cat dies, is killed rather, yeah. One of those little, yep, okay, good. I'll kill the cat, not me. Okay. Kind of feel like it should, kind of feel like it should still show it though, just grayed out. There's a child over there. Okay, anyway. Let's see here. Where's... Stop doing it. She's being dumb. Okay. We're gonna not do that anymore. I think we will still draw it. We'll say var is struck equals max strikes. Strikes is higher than or equal to 1. I believe that would work. And we'll say if else. And we'll say color do 1. Okay. Try that. Yeah, how's that been going? Is that yours? Alright, we'll try that, and we'll also say, if it's struck, I'm trying to use the keyboard more. It's faster that way. Okay. Let's do this +2. Okay. So, if a cat dies, they'll just be kind of grayed out at the bottom. Hopefully, that's the plan. It might not actually go that way. Okay, see. That's good. I don't know if I'm still connected. It seemed like it kind of blurred out for a minute. Okay, I'm gonna make this darker. Cool. Alright, that'll be better. That'll be much better. Now we just draw the icon. We don't have to do anything fancy. Okay, are we good now? Is the stream good now? We don't have to do this fanciness. We just draw a sprite icon. This would be, yeah, they're both white. If we're struck, it's 1. If we're not, it's... I can just do it like this. Hey, hey! Look at us go. We are really doing it efficiently. Oh, what's up? What's wrong? Oh. Yeah, I can just... No, that's okay. Let's see. What's wrong? Oh. Boop. Alright. That was stupid. I think it's still gonna have one dead cat already, though. Yeah, we don't want that. Right, because by default it's 0. Okay, I see why that happened. Okay. So. Oh, I killed a cat. Oh, why didn't that work though? Because I killed a cat. Okay. So if I kill a cat, let's see. We just gotta execute the user event, I guess. Let's see here. Object enemy. We steal that code. And we do this instead. Okay.
So,
Hi, Denver.
Denver?
Yeah.
Okay. You're all over the place. Can't find you. And I called you back and you didn't pick up.
Okay, let's see. Okay, it's working. Cat dies, we lose a cat head. And I died. Nice. Let's
Don't answer. So I go back. Yes. And I'll kind of go. Don't answer. So I go back.
There's children down here talking.
Don't answer. And now I waited a little bit. Try to go again. Your doors cracked open. Then you're gone. Fine. You think it was the workers? Oh, they won't not find your door.
Let's see here. This should be a little bit better.
Now it's the reverse of last night, to where now I'm tired and you're not. Yeah, I'll do 1 round. I gotta get to bed.
My phone's ringing.
I need to sleep.
Who is that? All right, we're gonna take a break from streaming. I'm gonna do some work and I'm gonna stream again later. Thank you for watching.